Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox and unknown error. So when I'm trying to log in my Roblox, then showing here to this problem. So now I'm provide how we can solve this problem easily. So go back. First of all, go to your phone settings. Scroll down. App management. Click onto app list. You need to first find Roblox. Click onto Roblox. And then showing here to storage uses, click on. You need to first click on clear data and clear cache. And then go back and then click on to force stop and go back and trying to log in Roblox. Okay, now successfully log in my Roblox account and solve this problem. So that's it, that's how we can do it.